In California, there's a sea lion with some amazing skills. She's learned to recognize letters and numbers. Now she's going head-to-head with us to see who's better at logic.
In the marine world, sea lions are pretty high up there when it comes to intelligence.
Miami, Florida is the scene for this showdown, where a sea lion will be taking on not one human, but dozens. Our brains weigh in at around 3 pounds, in a state where they've launched rockets to the moon. A sea lion brain is barely a third the size. No sea lion has ever been to the moon, but hey, that's true for most of us.
We tend to think of sea lions as clowns, with a ball on the end of their nose and a ruffle around their neck. But you can put that stereotype to bed.
This is our smart sea lion, Rio. Born in captivity, she was hand-reared at the Long Marine Laboratory in Santa Cruz, where they soon realized she was a smart cookie. But how smart? Could she be up to the kind of IQ test that we humans would find tricky?
Oh my God.
Oh, you're killing me.
I have no idea.
While the people of Miami are getting their heads around that puzzle, let's see what else Rio is capable of. She proved early on she was smart. Now she's being given all kinds of challenges. Like, can she spot when two symbols are exactly the same?
So she's going to be shown 3 objects, and she's going to point at one of the objects that matches the object that's shown in the center. And when she does, she's rewarded with a piece of fish.
Through the process of deduction, she's matching one visual cue to the next. Snap. Now we know she can tell symbols apart. She's being taught the alphabet through a process of trial and error.
Since there's no object in the center, Rio has to begin by guessing. She's going to have to just make a choice. And you can see it looks like Rio is choosing a number, and she's being told no. So what we're really interested in seeing is what happens now on the second trial.
She quickly gets it. Every time she chooses a letter, she gets a reward. Later, they change the rules, so she gets rewarded for choosing numbers instead. When she cracks this too, we know she's learned to tell the difference between letters and numbers. Clever girl. Notice some of her symbols have added squiggles, lines, or dots. This helps her distinguish, say, the number 0 from the letter O. Rio knows her letters and numbers just like us. But how will she fare in a head-to-head test of logic?